How to change Discord profile picture? Changing Discord profile picture is way easier than you think. Simply launch Discord on your device and ensure the login or sign into your account. Click User Settings icon at bottom left corner of the screen. On this account section, click Edit User Profile button. Scroll down and select Change Avatar button. You can upload images from your device or choose GIF. Right now, let's click Upload Image button and select the profile picture you want to set on Discord. Click Open button. Discord gives you the feature to use the slider to zoom in and crop the image. You can easily customize the image as per your wish and click Apply button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once done, click Save Changes button at the bottom right corner of the screen to save the changes. Wait for a while until the changes are made. When you click Escape button and see at bottom left corner of the screen, your profile has been successfully changed. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.